Mastering self-assessment and English conversations. Hello learners. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be focusing on self-assessment. This is an essential part of language learning, particularly when you are participating in conversations and interacting with others. In this video, we'll discuss how you can assess your own progress when responding to introductions and asking follow-up questions in English. Before we dive into techniques, it's important to understand why self-assessment is so crucial. Self-assessment is the process of evaluating your own skills, performance, and abilities. In the context of learning English, it helps you identify areas where you're strong and areas where you might need some improvement. By consistently practicing self-assessment, you'll have a better understanding of your learning journey, making it easier to reach your language goals. When self-assessing, focus on these three key aspects: comprehension, fluency, and appropriateness. Comprehension is your ability to understand what is being said to you. Fluency is the ease and speed with which you can respond to introductions and ask follow-up questions. Appropriateness refers to using the right expressions in the right context. For example, you wouldn't use casual slang when meeting someone in a formal setting. Here are some techniques that can help you with self-assessment. 1. Reflection. After a conversation, take a few moments to reflect on how it went. Did you understand everything? Were you able to respond without struggling too much? Did you use appropriate language? 2. Recording and playback. If possible, record your conversations, with permission, of course, and listen to them later. This gives you a chance to assess your performance without the pressure of the ongoing interaction. 3. Self-rating. After each conversation, rate your performance on comprehension, fluency, and appropriateness on a scale of 1 to 5. Over time, you can track these ratings to observe your progress. 4. Feedback. Whenever you can, ask for feedback from your conversation partner. They might provide valuable insights that you hadn't considered. To implement self-assessment effectively, keep a conversation journal. After each interaction, jot down your reflections, ratings, and any feedback you received. Over time, you'll be able to see patterns and trends, helping you identify areas to focus on for improvement. Also, remember that progress isn't always linear. You may have good days and bad days, but the important thing is to stay consistent and keep learning. That's all for today's lesson on self-assessment. Remember, being aware of your strengths and areas for improvement is a key part of your language learning journey. Self-assessment is a tool that can make that journey smoother and more effective. Thank you for joining us, and keep up the great work with your English learning.